blocking me. Jacob, put the thumbs up when I keep going. Alright? Put the thumbs up when I keep going. Jacob, put the thumbs up when I keep going. Bro. I'm telling you to put the thumbs up when I keep going. Okay, I heard. Not to show them my new gift. Guys, look at my new gift. Well, y'all can't see. I'm gonna take y'all for a ride. Oh crap. Oh shoot. Duh. Man, look, he's getting money. If I can, I don't want to be a garbage man. What? He's working for money. Get off, Abel! Get off, make it straight. Y'all got a ride on it? Y'all about to see me drift. Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo. Yeah, but can y'all see me? I'm gonna be drifting around there, the grass. I'm gonna be drifting around the grass. So y'all look at the grass. Yo, my brother's gonna be in there. If that's okay. God. Hey guys, I'm fucking really. Guys, I'm gonna drift. Did y'all see me drift? I almost crashed, but no. Guys, my friends here. Peace out. Make sure to watch because I might be uploading tomorrow. I'm playing my new PS5 out for Christmas. Peace. The reason I'm whispering is because his big ass, skinny ass, I always beat him up in freaking boxing. Peace out.